Good morning, students. So today you will take a progress monitoring assessment. It is a series of 5 questions in which you will have to demonstrate everything that we have been learning so far in our class. So on the first slide, you'll see that there is a question. So you have the option to either read it yourself or there is a recording on each slide in which I have read the question. So you can play the recording to listen to the question. When you answer the question, you'll see that there is also a circle on each question. So what you're going to do when you're ready to answer the question is you're going to move that circle over to the question or to the answer that you think is correct. As you work through your slides, you'll also see that as you go along, there's other videos. These can serve as reminders for what we have talked about. So I highly recommend playing the videos in order to help you answer the questions that come next. So here we have a video on properties of matter. And afterwards, you'll have 3 more questions covering properties of matter and what we've talked about so far. Remember that on each slide, there is a recording in which I have read the question to you, or you can simply read the question yourself. And you will move the circle in each to over the answer that you think is correct. Now, before your last question, there's one more recording. It's a 3-minute video that covers states of matter. This is something we talked about very briefly on Friday. So if you did forget, I was nice enough to give you a recording to listen to. And then your final question, which again has that recording to listen to, and it has the circle to put over your answer. You have a total of 8 slides. When you have chosen an answer for slide number 8, whether that be C, D, A, B, whatever your choice, then you are finished and you may turn in your assignment.